I think the energy sector is perhaps the single most important tie that binds us. The reality is this: there's a finite amount of fossil fuel. How many dinosaurs could have died to produce all of this oil and gas? So what we need to do collectively is to harness the sun, wind, geothermal, biomass. There is so much out there that we have not even begun to tap into. Not only will this strengthen us economically, which it will, we can create an entire economic sector based on green jobs. Not only is this an environmental necessity, we are beginning to choke on our own air, but it's a national security imperative. This way, the United States and our allies don't have to rely on any other country to have our energy needs met. With that comes strength, comes independence, and gives us an opportunity to not have to make compromises in the name of industrial necessity, and the necessity being having to rely on other countries to supply our energy needs. It's a huge mistake. This is the day, this is the time, this is the place, this is the date that we should be moving forward.